Turn, says Red 6. They leave full power on the jets, turning away from us now, pulling 6G, or 6 times the force of gravity. Everything in the pilots' bodies weighs 6 times more than normal, including their blood, which wants to pool in their feet, so their G-suits have inflated. They're tensing their leg muscles, fighting the G-force as they point back towards us to fly the Cyclone.
Look at that! Whoa!
Pitching up on the left with some white smoke is Red 6. He is the leader of our synchro pair. He's Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. Steve is in his 4th and final year as a Red Arrows pilot. His background is as a Hawk instructor, then moving on to fly the Harrier GR9 and then the Tornado GR4 before joining the Red Arrows. That's him up high on the left descending, chased down underneath by Red 7, full power, cutting the corner to get into line astern on Red 6. Now look right 45 degrees. Out in the distance you see 7 headlights. Dropping down to form an inverted V-shape. Synchro coming in from the left. Cameras ready. This is the Goose. Enid with Reds 8 and 9 on board there with that red, white and blue stripe climbing away to our left-hand side. But now look towards Bray Head. Here come the synchro pair. On comes their smoke. Keep your eyes on those 2 jets as they fly the shotgun. Red 6 there giving the commands during the shotgun for he and Red 7 to roll inverted and upright at various stages. Keep your eyes down to the left now as you find Enid with Red 8 rolling out in a loose battle formation with some more red, white and blue smoke. The white smoke's about to come on. This is the Revolution.